Struggling to create a resume with no experience? Don't worry, you're not alone. Here's how you can craft a winning resume, even without job experience. First, consider using a functional resume format to highlight your skills instead of work experience. Highlight transferable skills from school, volunteer work, or personal projects. Next, tailor your resume to the job description. Use keywords to match the role. Include a strong resume objective that grabs attention. And don't forget to add any certifications or relevant achievements. If you still have space, consider adding optional sections to further strengthen your fit for the role. Sections for languages, projects, scholarships, presentations, and honors are all good additions. Finally, use a clean, modern resume template to stand out. With these tips, you'll have a resume that makes an impact, even without experience. Visit Resume Now for expert templates and more in-depth guidance today.